In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate pages in Google Docs. Ready to make your document look organized and professional? Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your web browser. Once it's open, head over to Google and make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, don't worry. It's a quick process. Simply enter your email address in the provided field. After you've done that, click on the Next button to proceed. Now, it's time to enter your password. And yes, follow it up by clicking Next again to complete your sign-in process. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small grid of 9 dots. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on this icon. A drop-down list will appear showing all the Google apps available to you. From this menu, go ahead and select Google Docs. Once you're inside Google Docs, you'll have a choice. You can either open an existing document or create a new one. To create a new document, simply click on the plus blank button. On the other hand, if you have a specific document you want to work on, just click on its title to open it. In your document, carefully click where you want to insert a page break. If you're working on a report or a long document, this feature will help you organize your content effectively. Once you've positioned your cursor, look towards the top of the page to find the Insert tab. Clicking on it will open a menu. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Break. Hover over Break and a side menu will slide out here. Click on Page Break. Doing this inserts a clear page separation, moving everything after your cursor to a new page. This step is incredibly useful if you need to ensure certain sections or pieces of content start fresh on a new page. Now, while page breaks are great for separating content, sometimes you might want to adjust other aspects of your page. Optional adjustments include tweaking the page setup. For this, head to File and select Page Setup. In this window, you can adjust margins, change paper size, or switch orientation if required. And there you have it. You've successfully separated your content into multiple pages using Google Docs page breaks, making your document more organized and easier to read. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice these steps on your own to get comfortable with page management in Google Docs. See you in the next video.